how to manage who can chat with you in the app on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Roblox. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Go here, click on settings. Now after you click on settings, all what you have to do is so simple. Now click on privacy, scroll down, you will find who can chat with me in the app, as you can see right here. Click here and you can choose no one or friends. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.